Hey, this is John again. Today I would like to show you the Rolling Rise Kiosk. This comes in two flavors. We've got it in black and white, but we've also got it in a basic model and in an advanced model. The basic model is really designed if you actually just want to have a tablet on a pole so that you can roll it around, and a lot of times that's really all that you need, and that's what this is designed for. If you decide that you want the advanced model, make sure on the same page that you select and add the options to it to get the others, and I'll show you what those are in just a minute. So the basic features that you get are a very tall pole, and you get a tilting head with a VESA 100mm mount and a passageway for running the power into the tube and then down into out the bottom. So the other thing that this has is an adjusting collar to raise and lower the height, and it's got mounting brackets down here to add some of the other features, which would be a power box and a cleat. And then we've got the base, which is a heavy steel base, and it's got industrial rolling casters on it that have locking mechanisms so that you can lock it into place, and all four can lock so that it stays where you put it, okay? So let's move on to the advanced version. So here's the advanced version. Now what's neat about this is that it is a very versatile design for both a warehouse, usually in black, or medical, translation, dental in a white version, but we have both of those available. And it's got a very adjustable head. You can spin it around to whatever angle that you want, and there's an adjuster right here. And then it also tilts fully over whichever direction you want so that it's perfect for wherever that you want it to be. You can also adjust the collar right here and then lift it up, and it goes up quite high, and somebody that's over 6 feet tall can have it in a perfectly comfortable spot exactly where they like it. And then it can also be adjusted really down low. So the next piece that it has is a keyboard tray, and that's the name, but it actually performs a bigger function because you can put a laptop on it, you can use it for a notepad, and it's got 3 very accessible handles. And the idea is that it doesn't matter where you are, you don't have to get in the right position to move it. You simply grab onto it and you move it, you know, for whichever way that you want it. And you can see it rolls around really nicely, and then you put it where you want it, okay? So underneath that, we have a mounting bracket that is designed to go with a basket. Now the basket is a very versatile thing. It's designed for a number of environments. If you're in a warehouse, you can have your scanner. If in a medical environment, you can have your sphygmomanometer. And if you're in a translation, then you can actually have your speaker system down here to be able to do the communication. So below that, we have another feature, which is our power box. Now the power box doesn't actually have power, it holds power supplies. And so you can put a cube that goes to your tablet for 5 volts and run the power out through the grommet that you can plug into the wall, and then you can lock it up so that nobody takes your power supply. And it's got air vents to cool it all down, and it's secure. But when you decide that you're going to go mobile, the other thing that you need to do is store that cable. So on the other side, and it's part of the set when you buy these together, is a cleat. And the cleat allows you to wind up and store your cord so that when you go to move it and you're dragging it around, it's all neat and tidy and ready to work. So the last piece to show you is the locking caster. We lock them into place, and it's not going to go anyplace. So there you go. This is the Rolling Rise. It is a really versatile product that's designed for both warehouses, medical, dental, and even translation services. So try it, you'll like it. We love it ourselves. Remember, if you love it, lock it.